quick reading for February the 1st to February the 2nd, Gemini. We have the Hermit, the Eight of Cups, and the Ace of Pentacles. So, ito yung mga araw na madami tayong makikita, no, na pwede pala tayong matuto, pwede pala tayong maraming um, magawa, no, in spite of the problems, no, na encounter natin with the relationship. So kinakailangan lang siguro mag-focus tayo sa sarili natin, and probably not really, huwag pansinin. Ito yung mga time kasi na dapat mas focus tayo sa sarili, no? Rather than looking outward. With the Eight of Cups in here, with the introspection, so nakikita din natin dito na, sige, nandiyan lang naman yung problema, pero aayusin ko muna yung sarili ko, no? The way I think, the way I see the world, the way I see everything, and then look back bago tayo mag-look back and check, no, kung ano yung pwede pa nating magawa. Kasi when things are blurry, we cannot think right. No? So I think that this is the time we're in. Okay lang naman, relax ka lang muna. And then the next action is gonna be a solution, no, right after the relaxation. So this is your quick reading, Gemini, for February the 1st to February the 2nd.
Predicting future is my purpose.